Question 1. What does IAM stand for in AWS? The correct answer is B, Identity and Access Management. Question 2. Which IAM entity is used to grant permissions to AWS services?
The correct answer is C, IAM role.
Question 3. What is the root account in AWS? The correct answer is B, the first account created. Question 4. Which IAM feature provides temporary security credentials?
The correct answer is C, IAM roles.
Question 5. What is the maximum number of IAM users per AWS account? The correct answer is B, 5,000. Question 6. Which policy type is attached directly to an IAM user, group, or role? The correct answer is C, inline policy. Question 7. What is AWS MFA? The correct answer is A, multi-factor authentication. Question 8. Which IAM entity cannot have policies attached directly? The correct answer is D, none of the above. Question 9. What is the default permission for a new IAM user? The correct answer is C, no permissions. Question 10. Which AWS service is used to manage access keys? The correct answer is B, AWS IAM. Question 11. What is an IAM policy written in? The correct answer is B, JSON. Question 12. Which IAM feature allows you to delegate access to AWS resources?
The correct answer is B, IAM roles.
Question 13. What is the purpose of IAM Access Analyzer? The correct answer is B, identify resources shared externally. Question 14. Which statement is true about the root user? The correct answer is C, should be secured and rarely used. Question 15. What is an IAM group?
The correct answer is B, a collection of IAM users.
Question 16. Which IAM credential type is used for programmatic access? The correct answer is B, access key. Question 17. What is the maximum number of groups an IAM user can belong to? The correct answer is B, 10. Question 18. Which policy evaluation logic does IAM use? The correct answer is B, deny by default. Question 19. What is AWS STS? The correct answer is B, Security Token Service. Question 20. Which IAM feature helps you follow the principle of least privilege? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Question 21. What is an IAM role trust policy? The correct answer is B, defines who can assume the role. Question 22. Which AWS service can assume an IAM role? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Question 23. What is the purpose of IAM password policy? The correct answer is B, set password requirements. Question 24. Which IAM entity is global across all regions? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Question 25. What is an AWS managed policy? The correct answer is B, created and managed by AWS. Question 26. Which IAM feature provides a report of credential usage?
The correct answer is B, IAM Credential Report.
Question 27. What is the maximum size of an IAM policy document? The correct answer is C, 10 kilobytes. Question 28. Which IAM action allows reading objects from S3? The correct answer is A, S3:get object. Question 29. What is IAM policy versioning used for? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Question 30. Which IAM feature allows cross-account access?
The correct answer is B, IAM roles.
Question 31. What is the purpose of IAM conditions in policies? The correct answer is A, add logic to permissions. Question 32. Which IAM entity can be used for federated access?
The correct answer is B, IAM role.
Question 33. What is the IAM policy evaluation order? The correct answer is C, explicit deny overrides allow. Question 34. Which service integrates with IAM for identity federation? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Question 35. What is an IAM permission boundary? The correct answer is A, maximum permissions limit. Question 36. Which IAM feature helps identify unused credentials?
The correct answer is B, IAM Credential Report.
Question 37. What is the purpose of IAM tags? The correct answer is A, organize and control access. Question 38. Which IAM policy element specifies the resource? The correct answer is B, resource. Question 39. What is AWS Organization's SCP? The correct answer is A, Service Control Policy. Question 40. Which IAM credential should be rotated regularly? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Question 41. What is the purpose of IAM instance profiles? The correct answer is A, attach roles to EC2. Question 42. Which IAM policy type is managed by the customer? The correct answer is B, customer managed policy. Question 43. What is the maximum duration for STS temporary credentials? The correct answer is B, 12 hours. Question 44. Which IAM feature allows you to test policies before applying?
The correct answer is A, IAM Simulator.
Question 45. What is an IAM resource-based policy? The correct answer is B, attached to resources. Question 46. Which IAM action is required to list S3 buckets? The correct answer is B, S3: list buckets. Question 47. What is IAM Access Advisor used for? The correct answer is A, view service permissions used. Question 48. Which IAM entity supports MFA? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Question 49. What is the purpose of IAM policy variables? The correct answer is A, dynamic policy values. Question 50. Which IAM best practice should always be followed? The correct answer is B, enable MFA. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.